Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sign up to Bwin. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for bwin.com. So here it is. So let's get into it. Now over here on the top, you can see this option that is register. So let's tap on that. Now you need to select the country of residence and enter your email address. Now simply click on continue. Now create a new password. So here we need to write our name and click on next. Enter your date of birth and click on next. Now you need to enter your phone number and simply click on next. Once all of the steps are completed, we can finally get into Bwin. So afterwards the registration process will be completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.